Today we are going to make chocolate cookies. These are the ingredients: brown sugar, white sugar and butter, whole egg, milk chocolate, flour, baking powder and vanilla essence. Ingredients and recipe I will put in the description. You can see in the description. So first you start slowly. Even at home you can use the small one also. During the mixing you need to add egg slowly. When you add the egg, mixture should be creamy. It should be like this creamy, not curd. You can check sugar and butter already treated like cream. Vanilla essence.